today's video, man, I just wanted to make a video of the Charger RT, man, because I know lately everything has been about the Hellcat, everything has been about the Scat Pack. I just want to take the time and talk about this RT, man. So let's go.
The next day.
Alright guys, so it's the next day and I'm here cleaning up my ride. It's a nice day. So I'm at AutoZone and wiping off my wheels because these joints are super dirty. But like I was saying, man, it's time for me to start celebrating what I already have instead of keep talking about I want to get Scat Pack, Hellcat, and do this, and do that. I just need to start enjoying what I already have. Considering it is a Hemi, you know what I'm saying? And I'm liking the way this joint look, man. So I think what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and just wire my RT, man, and wait for these wide bodies to come out, see what they hitting on. And if they ain't talking about none, if they not that impressive, then I'll just make this fast. And I don't think that's an issue. Man, I gotta get another tire. This thing's getting dirty. Scratch my daggone wheels. But the wheels looking good, man. They're holding up. And I'm about to get the car. About to get a paint correction. And looking to getting the kit put on here, change the front fascia, the bumpers. And I think this joint gonna be looking slick, man. And I'm kind of glad I went with the 20s, because once I lower the car, kill that gap right there, this joint should be straight. Oh, what the hell? I know I didn't just hit air come out this joint when I hit this stem right here. Hold on. Bruh. When I hit the stem, air came out. Hold on. Oh, what the hell, huh? That can't be good. I don't hear no air coming out. But when I hit this stem, I heard like air was releasing. Oh, hell no. Nah. Definitely gonna have to get that checked. What the hell? Oh man, that can't be good, bro. Oh no. I wonder if all of them doing that. Let me see something. Nope. This one not doing it. Maybe it's just that wheel. Try this joint. Nope, that one's not doing it. So it's just the back wheel. It's the only one that's leaking air out when I hit the stem. God damn, bro, that's not cool right there. But anyway, so that's just something I gotta get checked. At least it's not seeping out air. But the car is all cleaned up, ready to go. It's Friday, about to cruise a little bit. I'm just blown about that tire leaking out there, air like that though. Leave y'all comments, man, what you think may be the cause of that. That's crazy. But again, I am working on a sponsorship, man, to See if I can get this car wrapped, you know, or get the paint correction, get this joint completely detailed. Something. But yeah, I'm blown about that air leaking out the tire like that. I didn't even know that was going on, bro. That's crazy. Start this joint up. But yeah, I'm working on a couple sponsorships, man. So if I decide to keep this joint, we're gonna get some stuff. We're gonna get some things done. But I'm gonna end the video right here, man. I'm about to hit the streets a little bit, and I'm gonna find out about that stem. I might have to take it and get it replaced or figure out something. But if this is your first time joining my channel, man, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.